Hi everyone, it's Dan here from Enact Solutions, and this week we're going to share with you a phenomenon we see a lot in managers. It's called the solutions focus, and it looks a little something like this.
I'm really struggling with one of our suppliers. I just can't get them to deliver on time.
Right, okay. Well, what we need to do is get a backup supplier. We need to contact the existing supplier to find out what's going on, and we also need to contact the customers to let them know that there's going to be a delay.
So our manager has gone straight to solutions, 3-4 suggestions, which on paper might be great, but what you're going to do is create dependence where people are constantly coming to you for the answer, and that's exhausting. So we say do the opposite. Ask your team how they would problem solve, and if you can do that, you'll have a scene that looks a little bit like this.
I'm really struggling with one of our suppliers. I just can't get them to deliver on time.
Right, okay. Well, what do you think we should do?
Well, firstly, I think we need a backup supplier, and then maybe we could look at reusing some of our resources from other events. That might work.
So your team members coming up with their own actions, their own responses, they're independent, and you're driving innovation. So that's your learning into action moment for this week. Don't go straight to the solutions focus.